turn down, gonna do some off-road and head up to a lookout tower. When I go with these tires, I usually run them at 30. They have a soft sidewall, so. Think that's good? Are the tires good?
Yeah.
Are we locked in? Got the hubs locked in?
Yeah.
All right. We're on our way up to the fire tower at the top of the mountain. And low range, locked in, third gear, just putting along. Looks like we might get some rain, which will make things interesting. This trail is already pretty wet. I anticipate the snow is melted, but don't know for sure. We will find out. Yeah, it's pretty muddy now, huh? Alright, we're almost out of this swampy area. The trail's about to climb the mountain. Lookout tower's up over there somewhere. Now this looks interesting. Well, I'm thinking the high road's the way to go. What do you think? Should we go through the mud or try to take the high road?
Let's go do the
The
mud.
mud? All right. We'll put it in third gear. See if we can do it. It's hard to tell how steep it is right here, but we're one of the highest points around. I think this is the final hill. The last push to the top. You think we can make it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's not mud.
It's not mud, so we'll probably make it, right? Looking pretty good up here, right? See all the mountains?
Yeah.
Still lots of snow up there. What gear should we use? Second? Second gear sounds good, right? We made it!
I want to go in the house.
You want to go in the house?
Yeah.
Alright,
And
check it out.
Yeah.
Well, there's not much stuff in there. We made it! Should we go check in the house? See if anybody's home. Pretty nice view, huh? We didn't get rained on. Not yet, at least. Now let's go check it out. Wow. This is pretty cool. No windows. It's kind of cold in here, too. Well, we're all packed up and ready to head back in. That was a fun little adventure. Took us a little bit to get out here. You can see way down there the road, that's where we came in. So there's quite a bit of elevation change. I'm not exactly sure how much, but the truck did really good. These tires are all right in the mud. You got to get some wheel speed to clean them out. Alright, well, until next time. Alright, one last little thing here. One of my creations. Air in a box. Got jumper cables, hooked up to the air compressor. Put my tires back up after the trail ride.